welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather and I run the website fitmamarealfood.com. And if we haven't met, thanks for being here. I love sharing healthy, family-friendly recipes. I'm a mama for myself, and so I'm always creating with a family in mind. And today's recipe, I can't wait to share with you because if you're like, how do I get my kids to eat more kale, Heather? This is it. So I'm bringing a sweet kale salad to you. It's actually a kale crunch salad, and we're making a sweet chlorella dressing. Now, what is chlorella? This recipe is brought to us by Perfect Supplement, my partner that you've probably seen before. We've used spirulina, which is very similar to chlorella. They are both green algae that just offer vitamins and minerals, and they're so good for you. But you might be wondering, how do I get this green stuff into my diet? Of course, you can easily throw it in smoothies or maybe in some protein muffins like I've done before. But today, we're gonna use this to make a beautiful green dressing for our kale salad. So kale salad on its own is already so nutritious. We're loading it with some crunchy chickpeas and some seeds and then some sweet cranberries as well. And then we're gonna make a sweet, delicious chlorella vinaigrette to go with it. It's got some blended mint in it and it comes together so easily and the flavors work so well together. And you just get this bonus of green algae. If you're like, how do I get this in? This is gonna be a really great option for you to try out. So let me show you how we make this recipe. And now you know it comes together easy. Like I said, I want you guys to hear this tip. When you're making any kind of kale salad, get your hands in there, massage the kale because it helps to break down the kale so that it's a little softer, brings a little more flavor into it. So just wash your hands for a second after and it'll be just fine. You can find the full recipe along with our partner Perfect Supplements down in the link below. Go check out the recipe, check out their products, let me know what you think, and make sure you're subscribed to this channel so that you can see all the good healthy recipes that are coming your way. If you enjoyed this video, thought it was helpful, give it a thumbs up, appreciate that, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.